Hello, it's Dr. Ray here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to meet you. I'm a transformational coach and a workshop facilitator. My intentions in sharing my videos here with you is to open up your heart, open your mind to infinite possibilities. See, most people feel like their life is concrete, that it's stuck, it's crystallized. What you'll get is a different approach, a different perspective on how to move through your challenges, how to navigate in a way where your trajectory is aligned with where you want to go. Like other people, you probably know what the right thing is to do, but somehow you continue to self-sabotage. You continue to be triggered. You continue to be triggered by that one conversation, that one topic, that one person. What would it be like for that to be gone? What would it be like to remove that button, that switch, that trigger? My videos are loaded with information to break through that, to understand your relationship blueprint to yourself and to the world. Because at the end of the day, it's how you relate to yourself. My videos are all about supporting that, helping you move through that and to understand it, and if anything else, have more compassion for yourself, for others, and to be able to create the life you really want to live. Go ahead and click subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. I really appreciate you joining me on this journey on my channel.